Today they will learn biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. Think about an apple core, or a banana peel. When you finish eating an apple, you might throw the core away. If you leave it outside in the garden, what happens to it? After a while, it starts to break down, or rot, and eventually turns into soil. This is because tiny creatures called bacteria and fungi help to break it down. Biodegradable waste includes things that come from plants or animals, like fruit and vegetable peels, food scraps, paper, leaves and grass clippings. These things can decompose, which means they break down naturally and return to the earth, becoming part of the soil. This process helps to keep our environment clean and healthy. Non-biodegradable waste. Now, think about a plastic bottle or a metal can. If you throw a plastic bottle outside, it doesn't break down and disappear like the apple core. It stays there for a very long time, sometimes hundreds of years. Non-biodegradable waste includes things like plastic bottles and bags, metal cans, glass jars, styrofoam. These items do not break down easily. They can stay in the environment for a very long time, causing pollution and harming animals and plants. That's why it's important to recycle or properly dispose of non-biodegradable waste.